VT-SCX. So now we are getting into our Airbus A319 VT-SCX. Okay, so now we're boarding the plane. My seat is 16A. Guys, that's the A row. And as usual, amazing leg room, as you guys can see. That's the view outside. Oh my god, the window is dirty. I gotta clean this. So, the basic seat pocket contents in a very poor condition, as you can see. It's not really maintained well, but that's basically about it. This seat has actually got two instructions card and handy newspaper, so there's nothing really much to show you guys. That was about it. The seat has an IFE, but as usual it's covered, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to work for the rest of the flight. So that was about it, guys. We're on bushback or something, I don't know how to say that. So yep. Beautiful mountains, and also I can see a temple. That's a Javeri temple, Tom, that I can see. And we're gonna be parking to taxi. I hope you take off from that side, because if you do, then we'll be able to see the. Oh yes, you know what? We're gonna be taking off to the temple site, so I'm gonna be able to capture the UNESCO World Heritage Temples once again. So now we're gonna
cabin crew to stations.
Thank you, God, for this meeting. Here we go. That is my hotel Clark's, where I stayed. That's the swimming pool right there. And as you can see, beautiful town of Khajuraho. And down below you can see those are the temples. Those are the gorgeous UNESCO World Heritage Site temples. There, beautiful, and I've caught them once again. There's another hotel, Lalit, an Archaeological Survey of India Department's building, and this is beautiful Khajuraho. Beautiful green and clean Khajuraho. Love it. There is, I think that's Rajnagar. We're climbing and heading to Varanasi. We're cruising at, I think, 25,000 feet, and we're not going to go higher than that because the distance to Varanasi is not too much. So yeah, this is the cruising altitude. Gotten this wedge box of Air India meal on our Khajuraho Agra sector, which comprises of mango juice. God. Okay, so you got mango juice, the one that I got on my Delhi Lucknow sector, and ketchup, Air India, and sandwich. So there you go, and there's nothing else. So that was it, guys. Holy River Ganga, which means we're about to reach Varanasi. I love my India. Just look at that, how beautiful it is. Amazing, just gorgeous.
Right, and ensure that all your personal belongings are safely placed in the overhead bin. Please keep your seatbelt upright, seatbelt tightly fastened, secure your tray table, footrest, and raise the window shades. You are now required to switch off your electronic items and laptops. Air India aims at excelling in service and hospitality and welcomes your feedback.
Beautiful Varanasi Airport. So I guess we are around 2,000 to 3,000 feet above the sea level, or maybe just. Hey, you can see the train. See, there's a train, an Indian train right there. See. Beautiful. And now we're taking the final turn, and we're gonna go the other side, and there we're gonna land on that. That's the runway, and there we're gonna land. And now the captain has deployed the flaps. Beautiful. This has to be one of the most amazing shots that I've gotten until yet. There's the airport. Gorgeous. Wow, just look at that. And now we're just gonna be straight in contact and line up the runway now. And I'm pretty sure we're not well, that is the ILS approach, but I'm not really sure. This captain is really good. I mean, I saw him, he actually deplaned and he was roaming in the terminal at Khajuraho, and they both actually, I mean, the first officer and captain, so they both look like superheroes and really smart. I'm going to try to like take his picture once I deplane in Delhi, but I'm not really sure whether they're going to allow me or not. So yeah, enjoy the beautiful view of landing in Varanasi. And it's all green and just looks amazing. Just look at the view, it's beautiful. Lovely green grass fields. Oh my god, just look at that. And there is the Varanasi city. Beautiful. And there's a little temple under construction. Wow. I'm loving this view, man. What a gorgeous, beautiful, lush green view it is. Whoa, there we go. 500. 300. 100. 50. 40. 30. 10. 5. Retard. So basically, I just did my own calculations. There we go with the spoilers. And there's a Varanasi airport. There's another Air India Airbus A319 at the gate. And there's another turboprop. I think that's a beach air. And there's the tricolor Indian flag. Gorgeous.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, वाराणसी में आपका स्वागत है। इस समय वहाँ का तापमान 34 डिग्री, लोग 40 मिनट रुकेंगे। आगे जाने वाले यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि विमान में अपनी नियत सीट पर ही बैठे रहें और साफ सफाई के दौरान वॉशरूम का प्रयोग ना करें। कृपया यात्रियों से अपने हाथ का सामान पहचान सुरक्षा कर्मचारियों को करवाएं। अगर आपको कोई लवारी सामान दिखाई दे तो उसे सुरक्षा कर्मचारियों को सूचित करें। बिजनेस क्लास के यात्रियों को कृपया उतरने में प्राथमिकता दें। जिन यात्रियों ने व्हीलचेयर की बुकिंग
And there is
कराई है,
another
कृपया
Airbus
अपनी सीट पर ही बैठे रहें। सभी यात्रियों को उतरने के बाद आपको सहायता दी जाएगी। स्टार अलायंस के सदस्य एयर इंडिया, कप्तान युद्धवीर चिकारा और क्रू
Victor Tango Sierra Charlie Lima
की सेवा का अवसर देंगे।
VT-SCX
नमस्कार, जय हिंद।